Seriously guys, I'm back. I am absolutely so sorry for the break between videos. My tablet have a mental breakdown with the charger and and yeah, I don't really know how to explain it, but it was horrible. So after all that was finished, I am back with the same tablet, just a new charger, and I am back. So we're here with Weird Cat Sounds. Volume up. Okay, that's gonna be hilarious. Let's do it all. Okay, right off the bat, this is hilarious. Okay, that's not what to do. I wonder what happens if I show this to my cat Mittens. Will he be scared or will he not be? This is very strange. What have I done? And of course it stops at the lowest speed. This is hilarious. Okay. I think this video would be pretty. Okay, what the hell was that sound? Okay, so I think this video would maybe be pretty boring if I did this for longer. So, yeah, we'll sadly take the video to a halt there. And yeah, this one was pretty much a very short welcome back in a strange manner. Like welcome back to me, but it was pretty strange. On a gameplay of Weird Cat Sounds. What am I doing? Sounds like it would be disc 11. Like what a zombie in Minecraft would make. Yeah, like I said, we'll call it to a halt. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one, and bye. Bye, boys. What am I doing? Yeah.